All right, so here is an update on the bullnose swap. First off, let me say one thing. If you come from the Ford Boss Me channel, I appreciate it. That guy gave me, he posted a link to my build, thought it was interesting, and some of y'all subscribe and have commented, and I appreciate that. I hope everybody likes it. The update on it is, well, let's take a look. Okay, so the studs are in. We got the studs in. The heads are back on. All new injectors, all new standpipe dummy plugs are updated. I also did all new glow plugs because I tested mine and 4 of them failed. 4 of the 8, so I figured, you know what, I'm just going to replace them all. The guy before me replaced the wiring, so I'm not going to worry about that. But yeah, it's got a new. I took the H-pop out and I put in the updated SDC fitting. That's got a new oil cooler. I've got the oil temp sensor on the way, along with the coolant temp sensor, and that's it, I think. But yeah, it's ready for the intake, which is over there. I just got finished cleaning it. So I'll put the intake on, put the air intake sensor on it. Put this to get rid of that EGR cooler because I don't need it. Even if I'm not worried about emissions, because this is going to be titled as an 86 Ford, so they're not going to look, people are going to think it's a 6.9. But yeah, and then turbo, I'm in the middle of rebuilding that. I've got it torn down right now. This lighting is horrible, but I'm inspecting the unison ring, and I've got a rebuild kit to put new bearings and stuff on it. The shaft had a little bit of play. Well, I actually had a little more than a little bit, but so let's see. That's pretty much it. I mean, I've already started figuring out the wiring under here and all the wiring in there. I've already hooked up some AC vent vacuum stuff in there. So it's all pretty much. I just got to put it together, and then it'll be ready to go. I'm filming right now with an iPhone 6 because my other iPhone's jacked up, so it may not be as clear, but I think it's clear enough. But yeah, hopefully I'll just start throwing stuff back on it, putting it back together, and we'll fire it off and get it running and see if all the work pays off and I did everything right. But stay tuned. Thanks.